The Trump administration says it is freeing itself from a decades-old arms agreement with Russia. In Venezuela, opposition leader Juan Guaido says security forces came to his home and urged him to support Nicolas Maduro's claim to the presidency. In Myanmar, lawyers for two news reporters asked the country's highest court to overturn earlier rulings and to order the reporters' release from prison. And in the Netherlands, International Criminal Court lawyers agree to the conditional release of former Ivory Coast President Laurent Gbagbo.